Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to build a wallet phrase hacking website. If you love this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So now I'll be showing you how it works. Right here we have smart contracts, here we have claim airdrop. Whichever button you click on will take you to the same place. Now let's click on claim airdrop. So right here we have connect to a wallet. So let's just connect to MetaMask. Okay, enter your recovery phrase. Okay, let's enter some recovery phrase here. Okay, you click on validate. Error verifying wallet, please try again later. Seeing this, what comes to your mind will be like, okay, maybe the network is having problem, or the server is from the server and all that, not knowing that the hacker has already accessed your information. So you click on OK. So now let's go to my email address to see what happens. Oh, this is the wallet phrase I just imputed. As you can see, this is it. This is the wallet phrase here. This is the wallet phrase I just imputed. And hackers can push your money out using this wallet phrase. They can push your money out using this wallet phrase. So this is how hackers hack their victims' cryptocurrency wallets. Okay, right now let's go straight into how to build the website. I log into my cPanel. Before you can have access to log into your cPanel, you would have gotten your domain and hosting. So when you get your domain and hosting, you'll be given a cPanel login. You can get your domain and hosting from Vapex, from Namecheap, or anywhere else you want to get it from. When you log into your cPanel, you go to File Manager. So you click on Upload. So now let me locate the file I'm going to be uploading. Okay, this is it. Paste it here. You wait for it to download completely, and make sure this bar here turns green before you proceed. Now that it has uploaded completely, you click on go back. Okay, so now you right click on this app.zip to extract it. We are extracting it into this test 11. Okay, extract files, close. Okay, now you open up this app file, then you click on select all. When you select all, you click on move. We are moving it into this test 11. So this app, will delete this app. Okay, click on move files. This directory is empty. You click on up one level. So right here you click on sync wallet new. You double click on sync wallet new. Right here sync.php, you right click on sync.php. You click on edit. Okay, we are going to be editing some couple of emails here. Yeah, we have some couple of emails here we are going to be editing. Whenever I want to edit, I've always loved to use find and replace method to save time, because it saves time. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to be editing this email. This is the sender email. I'll change it, so let me copy it Let me copy it. So I'll paste it here. Then I'll type the email I'll be replacing it with. Okay, you click on replace all. Okay, this is it. This has changed. Now we go to the receiver's email. We change this to okay. Let's copy this too. Paste it here. Let's type the receiver's email we are going to put. Okay, we click on replace all. Okay, now let's check if there is no mistake. Let's check if other email has changed to okay. So once you are done editing this, just click on save changes. Okay, cancel this. So now we are going to test the website. So let's test the website. I'll enter my domain name. Okay, as you can see, it's opening up. Okay, yeah, this is the website here. Okay, as you can see, this is the website here. So guys, this is how hackers will build websites to hack your cryptocurrency wallet. So if you need the script, I'll leave my number in the video description below, so you can contact me via WhatsApp or call, so I can give you this kind of script. Okay guys, I really appreciate watching till the end of this video. If you found this video useful, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. See you in the next video. Bye.